मोहब्बत निभा के सताए मैनू क्यों दिखाए मैं
Finished already? Okay. Let's put it back on again.
दिल दिया गल्ला करांगे नाल नाल बह के अख नाल अख नू मिला के दिल दिया गल्ला हाय करांगे रोज रोज बह के सच्चियां मोहब्बत निभा के सताए मैनू क्यों दिखाए मैनू क्यों एवें झूठे मोटे रुस के रुसा के दिल दियां गल्लां करांगे नाल नाल बह के अख नाल अख नू मिला के
Okay. We're done with this, but I have to thank my friend Nupur, wherever you are, if you're listening. It's beautifully sung. And आपने एक बारी पहले भी भेजा था, which I also used a lot. So now we have with us, last week she came, this Archana, I requested her, I said, welcome. And then I said, you know what, we didn't finish all the ghazals that you have selected, and I really want to hear all of them. So how about having a part two? And she accommodated us this date. That was really nice of her. So I want to welcome Archana. Thank you so much for joining today once
Thank
again.
you.
And it was really a pleasure last time and this time again to see you. And
Thank you.
like you said last time that you were brought up in an environment where there's a lot of singing going on with your family, and that's how you got encouraged to sing. And then you also perform into the Bharatnatyam. And your guru, I think, is in New York, I believe. Um,
Yes.
so you have a Guruji from you're learning from the Guru. I mean, are you learning even now? You're learning from her, or is it
No, I don't learn dancing anymore. No.
okay? That's so. But that means you. Is there such a thing that you're done, or you just have to practice it by yourself? That's what
Yeah,
happens after a while.
yeah, you have to practice yourself. After some time, you have to keep at it. Yeah.
And then you have been singing since you were 4 years old, which is really
Hmm.
amazing. And were you
Yeah.
also dancing at the same, learning at the same time as you were?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes, I have been doing both similar times, like since I was a kid.
that's good.
Yeah.
That's right from childhood you learn, and then you must be really very good. Since you're luckily that you are right now in New York, we were thinking of doing a live program for Dil Diya Galan, then maybe you can perform for us too. That'll be just
Oh, that
very nice.
that
Sing
would
as
be
well as
nice.
perform. That'll be really nice.
Yeah.
So anyway, your selections are again wonderful. I don't know if they're the same as last time, but these were leftovers or they are new ones. I don't
I've
remember.
got some new ones, and some of them I've just continued from last time, and there I've added some more.
That's really great. And there, ghazals are very, I don't know what, inspiring and very nice to listen to because they're, like I said, the wordings are the main thing. The jo kehte hain, like what they say in the words. I mean, you really have to pay attention because each
Yes.
singer brings his own kind of a personality or their own feelings into it.
Hmm.
You
And
get-
that's also very important because the thing is with Bollywood, it's easy to understand, easy to follow. Whereas गज़ल में क्या होता है कि वो उर्दू में होती है, जाहिर सी बात है, तो
Yeah.
फिर वो उर्दू भी इतनी किसी को समझ में नहीं आती. इसलिए फिर it's nice to explain a little bit before you start singing and all that, so people understand more and get more acquainted to ghazals and how they work and understand them more.
Yes.
Yeah.
I just want to welcome everybody. Good morning, friends. Thanks for joining today. Nice to see you all. Great. We have Archana ji here with us again. Thank you so much. Um, Just wanted to Shelly ji is also joined, Asha ji hai, I think Anit Kumar is, that's your husband, right? He's
Yes.
here. Yusuf ji, Yusuf Jusab, he became a member. He a few days ago of Dil Diyan Galla. So they have become members. That's nice of you to become members of our program. So अभी मैं चाहती हूँ कि इनमें से जो आपने चूज करी हैं, इसमें से some of them are from जगजीत सिंह. So आपने last time थोड़ी सी शायरी भी करी थी before
जी.
singing. And that was really you can say like when you hear a shairi then you get a better understanding of the ghazal. So बड़ा अच्छा लगा वो. That was really very nice. And some of them you composed yourself, which is
Yes.
very also creditable, that's really nice. So आप आज कौन सा, let's which one are you going to be singing today? The first one.
The first one I'm going to sing is from a film. It's a filmy ghazal by Jagjit Singh ji, and it is Honton Se Chulo Tum. It's from a movie called Prem Geet. So I'll be singing that.
Very nice one. One of my favorites too.
Okay, I'll just start.
Yeah, sure. Good morning.
होठों से छू लो तुम, मेरा गीत अमर कर दो. होठों से छू लो तुम, मेरा गीत अमर कर दो. बन जाओ मीत मेरे, मेरी प्रीत अमर कर दो. होठों से छू लो तुम, मेरा गीत अमर कर दो. ना उम्र की सीमा हो, ना जन्म का हो बंधन. ना उम्र की सीमा हो, ना जन्म का हो बंधन. जब प्यार करे कोई तो देखे केवल मन. नई रीत चला कर तुम, ये रीत अमर कर दो. नई रीत चला कर तुम, ये रीत अमर कर दो. आकाश का सुनापन मेरे तन्हा मन में. आकाश का सुनापन मेरे तन्हा मन में. पायल छनकाती तुम, आ जाओ जीवन में. सांसें देकर अपनी, संगीत अमर कर दो. संगीत अमर कर दो, मेरा गीत अमर कर दो. जगनी थी नाम जिसे, मुझे जो भी लगा प्यारा, सब जीता किए मुझसे, मैं हर दम ही हारा, तुम हार के दिल अपना मेरी जीत अमर कर दो, तुम हार के दिल अपना मेरी जीत अमर कर दो, होठों से छू लो तुम मेरा गीत अमर कर दो.
Wow, very nice. Again, it's
Thank you.
one of the very popular ones too, because a lot of people sing this one, but everybody brings their own little bit of flavor into it. But it was really आपने बहुत अच्छा गाया, really
Thank
liked
you.
it. And your husband is saying lovely singing and amazing choice. That I agree with you, 100%. So we're getting a good, like compliments from your husband, and everybody's clapping hands, and all
Aw,
stuff going on.
thank
So it's
you.
really good. And like I said before, it's one of my favorite ghazals. I mean, I like all ghazals, but koi hote hain zyada somehow become your favorites, or you
Yes.
listen to them
Yeah.
more and they touch you differently. So it's really very nice one. Um, आपका next choice भी बहुत अच्छी है. I'm not sure if I've heard that one before, but it seems to be really. तो इसकी शायरी इसके साथ में है किसके? I'm gonna guess which one it is with. This one? Okay, I
Yes,
guessed it. I guessed it right.
you guessed it right.
I guessed it right. Okay.
That's really good. You're really
Yeah.
good at it.
Good. I don't know how. I had a feeling this is the one. तो आपके शायरी के साथ ऐसे होता है, थोड़ा आइडियल हो जाता है भी क्या कैसी गजल है. It's like a like a forward before the ghazal. So we'll get an idea of what it is about. And this is you made up you made that up yourself. The shairi
Yeah.
आपने खुद ही बनाई है.
Yeah.
That's very amazing.
Thank you. Yeah.
सुनते हैं.
So I'll say a few words before I do sing my shairi. I say my shairi. This ghazal is sung by Sajjad Ali, but it's not very popular. I don't hear it that much anywhere, but it is beautiful and it's very meaningful as well, because it's talking about not being selfish, whereas being selfless, doing something with no selfish motive behind it, or ऐसे कुछ just say, like, even in schools these days, everywhere in schools they teach you to think about number one first.
Yeah.
सभी जगह पे ऐसे ही होता है, लेकिन the best way in our culture, it tells us that we should think about others first before yourself. और मेरे जो गुरुजी हैं वो भी यही कहते हैं कि ये जो विद्यालय है वो संगीत तो है ही, संगीत विद्यालय है ही, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ संस्कारों की भी विद्यालय है. So it's very important, our culture and how we do things, and not be selfish, don't think about yourself first. And so this ghazal is about that. And now I'll say the few lines that I have
Very nicely
made up.
explained. Thank you. That was really wonderful. And Didi G also said the same thing. Don't think about yourself. Try to help as many people as you can and be selfless. करके ये ना expect करो कि मुझे क्यों नहीं मिला. You see, that is the whole. Then the whole thing is ruined. And whatever you do, ऊपर वाला देखेगा. He'll see it and he'll do whatever he can do. But you just do it. Keep on doing whatever you can to help anybody. Society, कुछ में, anything.
And it's sad that these days in school, that's what they teach,
I
that
know.
think of number one and do whatever makes you should think of yourself, and that
Make you do competition with against the people, the kids who are with you, which is not really nice.
yeah.
Everybody's trying in their own way, and they're number one in their own way. I think so number one, number two is not a very thing. The schools should change their thought process in that regards. I think they should.
Yeah, true. Okay, so
you're gonna tell us about that shairi.
sure. तुम कभी भी 2 कदम के लिए मत रुकना। तुम कभी भी 2 कदम के लिए मत रुकना। तुम कभी भी 2 पल के लिए मत सोचना। मेरी कैसी भी हालत हो, मेरी कैसी भी हालत हो, तुम ऐसे ही चले जाना, तुम ऐसे ही चले जाना, तुम ऐसे ही चले जाना। So it's saying that no matter what is happening to me, you don't think about it at all. Don't even wait for me or anything. You can just, whatever it is the situation, just go. So that's
Good message.
what.
Let's see what he's saying. What the message is from the visually guy. Like what he's trying to say. And we're gonna hear that through you. What his message. You know?
साहिल पे खड़े हो तुम्हें क्या गम, चले जाना। साहिल पे खड़े हो तुम्हें क्या गम, चले जाना। मैं डूब रहा हूँ, अभी डूबा तो नहीं हूँ। मैं डूब रहा हूँ, अभी डूबा तो नहीं हूँ। ऐ वादा फरामोश मैं तुझ सा तो नहीं हूँ। हर जुल्म तेरा याद है, भूला तो नहीं हूँ। हर जुल्म तेरा याद है, भूला तो नहीं हूँ। चुपचाप से ही मसलिहतन वक्त के हाथों, चुपचाप से ही मसलिहतन वक्त के हाथों। मजबूर से ही वक्त से हारा तो नहीं हूँ। मजबूर सही वक्त से हारा तो नहीं हूँ। ऐ वादा फरामोश मैं तुझ सा तो नहीं हूँ। मुस्तर क्यों मुझे देखता रहता है ज़माना। दीवाना सही उनका तमाशा तो नहीं हूँ। दीवाना सही उनका तमाशा तो नहीं हूँ। फरामोश काश मैं तुझ साथ नहीं हूँ, हर जुल्म तेरा याद है, भूला तो नहीं हूँ, हर जुल्म तेरा याद है, भूला तो नहीं हूँ, हर जुल्म हर जुल्म हर जुल्म
वेरी नाइस, रियली। नहीं, मैंने नहीं पहले सुना हुआ, लेकिन मीनिंग जो थोड़ा समझाने से काफ़ी समझ आ गई। इट इज़
यस
वेरी,
और
या इट इज़ वेरी डीप मीनिंग
और
से।
ये सैड होते होते भी लेकिन पॉजिटिव भी बहुत ज़्यादा है, क्योंकि कुछ भी हो जाए मैं आई विल सर्वाइव, ऐसा दैट्स व्हाट इट्स ट्राइंग टू से, यू नो, सो इट्स पॉजिटिव एज वेल।
यस,
Yeah, बहुत ही deep essay. Like all the ghazals are usually very deep, and this one is too. You know,
यस,
that's the thing with ghazals. You have to listen to the lyrics more than like um, just essay. कुछ भी हो ऐसे नहीं होता. You have to listen to the lyrics and the music and everything. तो आपको ज़्यादा पसंद आएगा, ज़्यादा आपको मज़ा आएगा. You know.
पर ये जो लिरिक्स होते हैं जो गाते हैं, डू दे, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल जगजीत सिंह, आई थिंक ही राइट्स हिज ओन लिरिक्स, लाइक ही रोट, आई मीन,
Um,
नो,
No, he doesn't. No, he's a music composer. He composes the music. लेकिन lyrics जो होती हैं वो कोई और लिखते
साहिर
हैं.
लुधियानवी, आई थिंक साहिर लुधियानवी डिड अ लॉट ऑफ, काफी करते
Yeah.
थे,
Yes.
he did
Yeah.
a lot of his Sahir, yeah. So that is also very important to know कि किसने lyrics लिखे हैं,
Lyrics. Yeah.
right? And then the singer, how he sang according to somebody else's lyrics. I mean, that's also, it's a lot of, I mean, think about it, हमने तो सिर्फ सुन लिया, but how much work goes into it, music,
Yeah.
singing, the lyrics,
That's true.
it's a lot. So
It
we
is a
just
lot.
we just go to the concert or बैठ के सुन लिया, but actually it's a lot of preparation and practice. You have to make the singer has to make the lyrics his own, that he's doing it from his heart, singing.
Yes.
You have to
Yeah.
bring that out to the public. Otherwise, people can make out. अगर दिल से नहीं गाओगे तो समझ आ जाती है.
Yeah.
The reality comes out. So that is the connection they have to have. But some of them, I think they write their own. They also, I think, a few of them they do write.
Hmm.
Like,
Yeah.
I'm gonna figure out this. किसने ये Jagjeet ne bhi, I think he has some of them written down, some of them he has not. But I think Sahil Ludhianvi was one of them. But
Yeah.
maybe Gulzar also could be.
Hmm. Yes. Maybe. Yeah.
He was also he's very good too. His ghazals are very, I mean, whatever he writes is really very poetic and very, very nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
So next is that ये Navy को नया है, नया नहीं, मतलब I have not, maybe when I hear you singing it, probably I will jog my memory. But
ये तो बहुत ही पुराना है. शायद बहुत लोगों को ये गज़ल तो बहुत लोगों को पता होगी. इफ जो वो सुनते हैं, गज़लें सुनते हैं, तो बहुत ही, ये तो बहुत पुरानी है और कितने लोगों को ये मालूम भी है, लेकिन कोई गाता नहीं है तो फिर आप भूल भी जाते हैं, you know.
yeah,
भूल
probably
भी
when I
जाते
hear it, I will know it. I will
हैं.
remember it. कई होता है ना, some of them you hear all the time. For some
Yes.
reason, I don't know why. And then you hear the same ones again and again. Everybody sings the same thing. उनको वही तो, then some of them, the ones which are very good, they're in the back burner. You don't hear them that much. That's what
Yeah.
happens.
Yes,
Anyway,
that's
I'd like
true.
to,
ओके. ये जो है वो नूरजहान जी की है, और यस, और वो तो कितना उनकी आवाज़, ओ माय गॉड, बहुत ही,
legend in our own.
या शी इज़ अ लेजेंड, या शी इज़ जस्ट टू गुड. तो उनकी गाई हुई है ये नियत शौक. शायद पता नहीं आपने सुनी हो, लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादातर जो सुनते हैं गज़लें उनको पता होगा। नहीं तो आप अभी सुन लेना।
हाँ नहीं सुनेंगे। I might have heard it, but I know I've heard a lot of her songs. That's for sure.
Yeah.
मुझे यहाँ के बहुत गाने सुने हैं.
नियते शौक भर न जाए कहीं, नियते शौक भर न जाए कहीं, तू भी दिल से उतर न जाए कहीं, नियते शौक भर न जाए कहीं। आज देखा है तुझको देर के बाद, आज देखा है तुझको देर के बाद, आज का दिन गुजर न जाए कहीं, तू भी दिल से उतर न जाए कहीं, नियते शौक भर न जाए कहीं। ना मिला कर उदास लोगों से, ना मिला कर उदास लोगों से, हुस्न तेरा बिखर न जाए कहीं, तू भी दिल से उतर न जाए कहीं, नियते शौक भर न जाए कहीं। आरज़ू है कि तू यहाँ
No, it is very, very, very. Wording मुझे meaning तो समझ आ गई. मैंने नहीं सुना हुआ वैसे, unfortunately.
अच्छा.
But today I did, so I'm really, I'm happy that I heard it today, because इसकी meaning बहुत नियत है और शौक है, शौक. तो वो
Yeah, जो passion होती है
yes,
कुछ
exactly.
चीज के लिए,
Yes,
it can be anything, music, singing, art, कुछ भी, आपके career, कुछ भी, or love, anything. जो passion है वो कहीं खो ना जाए, you know, it's beautiful.
it is very
Yeah,
beautiful and very
yeah,
well. आपने बहुत अच्छा गाया, and the wordings मैं कहती हूँ ना वही सुननी पड़ती हैं, then you really understand what they're
जी,
trying to tell you, and they all have
yeah,
a message, some kind of a message. If you don't get it, then that means you're not listening properly, I think. That's what I think.
okay.
They all have some kind of a message. अपने शायरी में भी होता है, and even some songs, they are also very meaningful.
Oh yes,
They're very very
definitely.
meaningful.
Yeah,
वो जो आजकल के थोड़ा जमाना different है, is different, but पुराने गाने जो बहुत अच्छे हैं, very
yeah.
very very deep meanings, some of them.
या और अरिजीत सिंह जी की भी जी के गाने भी बहुत ही अच्छे होते हैं, लाइक जो मैंने बहुत सारे सुने हुए हैं, वेरी
Yeah.
वेरी गुड लिरिक्स, एंड वैसे उन्होंने भी कोई गजल्स भी गाई हुई है,
Mm.
सो ही इज रियली गुड एज वेल.
He's very good. He's one of the
या
younger ones, but I think he does very good singing, and काफी meaningful होते हैं उनके. They had a lot of live shows over here too, I think, I believe.
या
अभी हुआ था पीछे. He's going around the country, I think. He's very very good. तो चलो नेक्स्ट चलते हैं. सब यार, ये भी बड़ा अच्छा लगता है मुझे. नंबर
आपने सुनी हुई है ये गजल?
जिंदगी में तो सब प्यार, राइट?
या
यही है. ये भी सुन के
यस.
मालूम पड़ेगा, सुन के पता चलेगा. इसके बारे में कुछ तो बताओ, बैकग्राउंड में क्या, कौन गा रहा है इसको?
हाँ, ये मेहंदी हसन साहब की गज़ल है, और शायद मुझे लगता है वो पाकिस्तान की फिल्म से, आई एम नॉट सो श्योर ऐसे, बट आई थिंक इट इज़ फ्रॉम अ मूवी, अ पाकिस्तानी मूवी और समथिंग, बट इट इज़ ब्यूटीफुल, और ये भी बहुत ही पुरानी है, और इट्स जो उसकी जो मेलोडी है वो भी बहुत ही सुंदर है. इट्स रियली स्वीट, और ऐसे सूदिंग पीसफुलनेस फील होती है ये गज़ल से, मुझे मुझे ऐसा लगता है. तो इट्स रियली ब्यूटीफुल, और इसकी जो लिरिक्स लिखी हुई है वो कातिल शिफाई जी ने लिखी हुई है इसकी लिरिक्स. तो या
या दैट्स वेरी. हाँ, तो उनके ही इज एक्चुअली मेहंदी हसन, गुलाम अली, पाकिस्तान के काफी बहुत ही फेमस
या
सिंगर्स हैं.
या
They also do a lot of shows. They used to, at least.
यस
भी आए हुए हैं, न्यूयॉर्क में भी आए हुए हैं, but they do. Uh,
या
yeah, they're very very good. I mean, some of them I've heard. I'm not that much into him yet, but I've heard some of them. You know, because I have heard, but they're very काफी लंबे लंबे होते हैं. They sing with music उनका होता है साथ में. They have their own group coming with them, and they
यस
all of them do.
या
काफी अच्छी तरह, like he's all into it. So he sings. I've seen
यस
some of the videos I've seen. They're really good. तो चलो सुनते हैं फिर आपको.
जिंदगी में तो सभी प्यार किया करते हैं, जिंदगी में तो सभी प्यार किया करते हैं, मैं तो मर कर भी मेरी जान तुझे चाहूँगा, मैंने वो सांस भी तेरे लिए रख छोड़ी है, तुझ पे हो जाऊंगा कुर्बान, तुझे चाहूंगा। मैं तो मर कर भी मेरी जान तुझे चाहूंगा, जिंदगी में तो सभी प्यार किया करते हैं। अपने जज्बात में नगमात रचाने के लिए, अपने जज्बात में नगमात रचाने के लिए, मैंने धड़कन की तरह दिल में बसाया है तुझे। मैं तस्वर भी जुदाई का भला कैसे करूं, मैंने किस्मत की लकीरों से चुराया है तुझे, प्यार का बन के निगहबान तुझे चाहूंगा। मैं तो मर कर भी मेरी जान तुझे चाहूंगा, जिंदगी में तो सभी प्यार किया करते हैं। तेरी हर चाप से जलते हैं ख्यालों में चिराग, तेरी हर चाप से जलते हैं ख्यालों में चिराग, जब भी तू आए जगाता हुआ जादू आए, तुझको छू लूं तो फिर जाने तमन्ना मुझको, देर तक अपने बदन से तेरी खुशबू आए, तू बहारों का है उन्वान तुझे चाहूंगा। मैं तो मर कर भी मेरी जान तुझे चाहूंगा, जिंदगी में तो सभी, जिंदगी में तो सभी प्यार किया करते हैं।
Wow, I don't know what to say. Just blown over. इतनी जबरदस्त आपने गाई है and such deep meaning.
Yes.
It's so romantic. I can't. He is very the way he the wordings are. It just blew me away. I mean, it's really, and everybody's like saying, "Wow, fantastic! You know, beautiful." Uh, I mean, it's really, really, very, very. उनके वैसे भी he does a lot of when he sings on stage. तो काफी
Yeah,
उनके म्यूजिक भी बड़ा अच्छा होता है वैसे. He has a very good system, and he sings with a lot of passion and all that.
yeah, yeah.
Very, very nice. बहुत ही अच्छी. And he sang very beautifully too.
उनकी मेरी फेवरेट, मैं जब बहुत छोटी थी, आई वाज रियली वेरी वेरी यंग, मे बी लाइक 4 or 5 years old. और जो जब my mom and dad, I used to go with them to these house parties. They used to be like living room parties. और सभी बैठते थे और गाते भी थे. और एज यूजुअल मैं तो छोटी थी, तो फिर मैं दूसरे बच्चों के साथ खेलना कूदना ऐसा कुछ करती थी उधर, खेलती थी. तो फिर जब जहाँ जहाँ हम बैठे, जब जहाँ वो सब संगीत चलता होता है, वहाँ जब कोई गज़ल गाने शुरू करता था, तो मैं क्या करती थी, मैं सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के ऐसे लाइक खेलना कूदना सब छोड़ छाड़ के मैं वहाँ जहाँ वो बैठे हुए होते थे म्यूजिशियंस, तबला तबला नवाज और हारमोनियम वाले और गाने वाले, वो जब जहाँ बैठे होते थे, मैं वहाँ सीधा उनके सामने ही जाके खड़ी होके ऐसे ही सुनती थी उनको गज़लें. तो तभी से मुझे बहुत ही तभी से मुझे दिलचस्पी हुई गाने की और गज़लों की, सब जब से मैं छोटी थी तब से और ये जो मेहंदी हसन जी की गज़ल है रंजीशी से ही, वो भी मुझे तब से बहुत पसंद थी. और मैं उनको बोलती थी, उनको कहती थी कि रिक्वेस्ट करती थी कि आप गाओ ये यू नो
That's
सो
good. So right, I mean, you have a passion for the ghazals right from the बचपन से ही. तो यही
यस.
मेरा क्वेश्चन मैं करने लगी थी. How did you get into so much into ghazals instead of ज़्यादा Bollywood songs के बदले you like the passion for ghazals? That's really and this one yeah, आप अभी जो बोली है that's also very popular. जो अभी आपने कही.
रंजीशी से,
Yeah,
यस.
that's a
या.
very वो काफी दफा सुनी है. But this is also amazing. Like it's so I mean उनकी गजलें when they have this vibe about when they talk about romance. तो कितनी
या.
pretty romantic होती है ना. That's the way they say it, describe it. You can just imagine what he's saying, which is that's what I just said. I said, oh my God, it's so romantic because it is the way they're saying and the way they describe the description भी
या.
सुननी चाहिए उनकी कैसे wordings करते हैं but how they sing it. So
या.
it's really very very amazing. आपने अच्छी choice है आपकी कि गजलें गाते हो. So
थैंक यू.
इसका
आपने ये सुनी हुई है ये गज़ल जो जिंदगी
मैं कहा मैंने सुनी हुई है ये भी या but the
सुनी
other
हुई
one
है?
I've
अच्छा, अच्छा.
दूसरी वाली मैंने ज़्यादा सुनी है. To be
या.
I've heard it many times. Well, not so many times, but I have heard it. But today I really heard it properly from you. ऐसे कहते हैं ना एक एक वर्ड सुना है. तो नेक्स्ट भी बहुत ही कमाल के हैं गजल गाने वाले.
हाँ.
गुलाम अली का है आपका.
बहुत.
गुलाम अली इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड. उनकी
हम्म.
आवाज बड़ी यूनिक डिफरेंट टाइप की यूनिक है. एंड दिस वन आई हैव हर्ड मेनी टाइम्स टू. ये जो है आपका कौन चुपके चुपके से रात दिन.
Sorry.
हाँ इसी का.
Actually, I'm going to sing जगजीत सिंह जी की गज़ल जो है वो. Sorry, hold on a minute.
जगजीत सिंह क्या बोला. यस maybe I skipped it.
ये जो गज़ल मैं गाने जा रही हूँ, ये जगजीत सिंह जी, और इट्स अ डुएट जगजीत सिंह जी और चित्रा सिंह जी की है. और ये भी बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. It's about how you don't need to say you don't need to say much. A lot is said by your eyes. Whether it's love, if it's love, you don't need. It just expresses. Your eyes are very expressive, so even if you don't say anything, your eyes say everything and a lot. So this is a very beautiful ghazal as well, and it's from one of his albums. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
होती है। ये हकीकत तो निगाहों से बयां होती है। कौन कहता है मोहब्बत की जुबान होती है। वो नाई तो सताती है खलिश से दिल को। वो नाई तो सताती है खलिश से दिल को। वो जो आए तो खलिश और जवान होती है। ये हकीकत तो निगाहों से बयां होती है। कौन कहता है मोहब्बत की जुबान होती है। रूह को शायद करे दिल को जो पुरनूर करे। रूह को शायद करे दिल को जो पुरनूर करे। हर नजारे में ये तनवीर कहाँ होती है। ये हकीकत तो निगाहों से बयां होती है। कौन कहता है मोहब्बत की जुबान होती है। ज़ब्त सैलाबे मोहब्बत को कहाँ तक रोके। ज़ब्त सैलाबे मोहब्बत को कहाँ तक रोके। दिल में जो बात हो आँखों से आया होती है। ये हकीकत तो निगाहों से बयां होती है। कौन कहता है मोहब्बत की जुबान होती है। जिंदगी एक सुलगती सी चिता है साहिर। जिंदगी एक सुलगती सी चिता है साहिर। शोला बनती है ना ये बुझ के धुआं होती है। ये हकीकत तो निगाहों से बयां होती है। कौन कहता है मोहब्बत की जुबान होती है।
Very nice.
ये बिल्कुल निगाहों से यहाँ हो, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल आपने जो बोला था बिगिनिंग में, दैट्स एग्जैक्टली राइट. You don't have to say anything, you can feel it in the eyes. Again a very beautiful one. And जगजीत सिंह की तो मैंने ये सुनी हुई है. जगजीत सिंह की मैंने ज़्यादा काफ़ी सुन, because I'm big fan of his, so I've heard a lot of his गज़लें काफ़ी सारी सुनी हुई हैं उनकी. And all of them like very good meaning, but other काफ़ी सारे और भी तो हैं. पंकज उदास भी हैं, like गुलाम अली, आपने गाया मेहंदी हसन,
Yeah.
और plenty more. A couple of other, lot of other singers जो अभी आपने नंबर 2 गाया था साहिल पे खड़े हो तुम. This is a different singer, right? I've never heard of his name. नहीं सुना हुआ इतना, लेकिन इसकी जो गजल थी वो बड़ी अच्छी थी आपने जो गाई है.
Yeah, yeah, वो बहुत ही अच्छी थी. Like that's what I was saying कि ये जो particular है वो किसी ने नहीं सुनी होगी, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत बार गाई हुई है, किसी को पता ही नहीं होती है. So
One of those rare,
yeah,
you can say a rare gem, जैसे कहते हैं ना,
yes,
one of
yes,
those things.
yeah,
तो चलो चलते हैं आगे में. दिस इज वेरी गुड वन. लाइक आई somehow missed that one. तो अभी जो मैंने गाई थी नेक्स्ट में का गुलाम अली का है, which is a
जी,
very very famous one, which I
it
think
is,
almost
it is,
everybody must have heard it. Very
yes,
popular. And he sang
और
it good.
yeah,
Too.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
इसके बारे में
और
कुछ कहना चाहते हो?
या और ये जो पर्टिकुलर गज़ल है, मैं जब भी लाइव गाती हूँ, ओ माय गॉड, सभी पागल हो जाते हैं. उनको इतनी अच्छी लगती है ये सभी को.
Yeah, it is a
तो
very good one.
हाँ, तो ये तो आई थिंक इट्स अ फेवरेट ऑफ एवरीबॉडी. सो
I'm planning to do something live for. I've been thinking, like I told you before, कुछ सोच रहे हैं करने के
या
लिए. आपको बुलाएंगे. like अभी वैसे तो हम Zoom पे भी प्लान कर रहे हैं. One ghazal night we will have that. So a lot of people sing ghazals over here. They like to sing. तो जरूर आपको, you want to be on the top of the list. Because you only like to sing ghazals. तो आप हमारे साथ काफी सारे जुड़े हुए हैं, कहते हैं हम गजलें. They like to sing ghazals. So we'll
ओके,
plan that very soon.
श्योर, या
Based upon everybody's availability, and then we'll do a ghazal night. So
या
yeah, go on. And live also, since luckily you are right now not too far from New York, very close to where I live. Also, just happened. कहते हैं ना वो जो मैंने वो एक मैंने क्या सोचा था, ये ना कोई किसी से दूर होता है, ना कोई किसी के करीब होता है, वो खुद है चल के आते हैं, जो जिसका नसीब होता है. कहते हैं ना.
वाह, वाह, वो किसने लिखा है? ब्यूटीफुल.
I don't know who it is, but this is what I'm thinking about you and me, because that's how we met somehow. ऐसे मिले कि वो नसीब से ही मिले ना.
दैट्स ट्रू.
Right?
बहुत ही कूल.
हाँ.
या,
तो
वेरी वेरी नाइस.
मुझे भी इसका ख्याल आया, तो मैं क्या मैं
या,
let me just say that.
ये आपने लिखा या फिर कैसे? नहीं.
नहीं, मैंने नहीं लिखा, लेकिन I liked it so much, मैंने इसको सेव
वेरी
करके
नाइस.
रखा हुआ है. Yeah.
वाह,
This
बहुत
situation,
खूब.
it's the situation, you know. मैंने कहा आपको मैं जरूर सुनाऊंगी ये वाला. वही ना, जो when you get connected with someone, you know, it's दिल से दिल मिल जाता है ना. You don't have to say like Shari, you don't have to say too much.
या, आई से एवरीथिंग.
But me too. Me too. I say what I feel, you know. But, चलो चलते हैं नेक्स्ट वाले में. I want to hit, हम सुनते हैं उसको. नेक्स्ट वाला बहुत ही अच्छा है.
ओके, या, ओके.
Wow, beautiful. That's what I'm saying. This one, amazing. बहुत ही गुलाम अली का, I think one of his most popular ones, I think.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
One of the most popular. And he went,
और ये जो गज़ल है ये फिल्म which film is it from? It's from Nikah. Yeah, it's from the movie called Nikah. Like, yeah, so it's
हाँ कि निकाह के सारे गाने भी अच्छे थे,
yeah.
ये गाने भी बहुत अच्छे थे.
या तब वो ऐसा दौर था जो फिल्म में गज़लों का बहुत ही ज़्यादा पॉपुलर थी. गज़लें बहुत पॉपुलर थी फिल्मों में. तो दैट टाइम all the movies had ghazals in the movies. So
It was a very story भी उसकी थोड़ी, like it was like a unique type of a different type of a story. It's not like जैसे होती है आप भागे इधर ट्रीज के पीछे डांस किया, not like that. It had a deep meaning in the story, the life of that woman. Don't remember her name, but उसकी सारी story थी.
yeah.
It's a very deep story. Deep. हाँ आगा उसमें थी. She did a good job acting. उसके बाद में तो खास नजर भी नहीं आई, but this movie में she did I think Raj Babbar and another actor Pradeep something, another actor in there, because she gets married. I remember the story because she gets married twice. तो इसका दिखाते हैं क्या what she goes through.
Okay, yeah. I remember there's Raj Babbar because even Hoton Se Chulo Tum, that I remember being Raj Babbar in there. I remember this one having Raj Babbar in the movie itself. Yeah, I remember that.
She marries a second time, and there's another guy. I think his name was Pradeep something. So it's a story about her. तो उसमें सारा कुछ ये जो आया है, जो गजल है, probably fits in that storyline or something. That's why they had this.
I think it's saying like, after separation, maybe he's remembering everything about her, and yeah.
Like that. I see the movie again because really it was a very good movie. So anyway, वाला तो टाइम हो गया, लेकिन आपका तो एक लगता है एक आज
Next time.
next time is going to be part 3. We're going to do that, and I'm thinking of doing the live thing pretty soon. I will let you know because like I said the dates दिवाली ये बहुत कुछ आ रहा है, but I want to do that and I will definitely keep you in mind. तो कहते हैं ना, सोच मिलने चाहिए, दिल तो अपने आप ही मिल जाता है.
Wow.
सबके साथ नहीं होता, किसी किसी के साथ होता है ऐसे.
Wow. बहुत खूब.
खूब अच्छा. तो यही मैं कहती हूँ, आपके साथ कनेक्शन ऐसे हुआ है. आई फील लाइक आई नो यू फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम. ऐसे थोड़ी बातें करते हैं तो पता चलता है अबाउट यू, लिटिल बिट अबाउट यू. सो we're going to be here for a while. We'll talk about that later, but it was so nice that you had come and prepared such beautiful, and एक के different गायकार different थे, like they were different singers except for जगजीत के दो थे, Jagjit and Sitra and Jagjit alone, but other ones they were all different and very unique and very good selection. And
Thank you.
everybody was praising you a lot. And आप मैं आपको फिर भी रिकॉर्डिंग भेजूंगी आपके. I think your biggest fan is your husband. No, सारे और भी हैं, ऐसी बात नहीं, पर very very good. And I want to thank everybody who joined us today. We definitely will try to plan another program, and she's here live, so why not? We are planning to do something live. I mean, I know that a lot of you are out of town, not here, but you can see us live. We'll try to do such a way that live करेंगे, and then you can watch us.
Sure.
So much. I just want to say that this Friday is Shukrana, and it's the beginning of the Navratri. So we'll be talking a little bit about that. And next Monday, Monday morning, we have a Dr. Jamil coming, and in the night we have a special program with Shali ji. She always comes over here. Shali ji यहाँ पर हैं, और Pradeep ji. Pradeep Tujeja, both of them are from Chicago. They'll be having a very nice songs together, and it's going to be a beautiful evening. So don't forget to join in the evening at 8:30 in the morning, 10:30 a.m. for Dr. Jamil, and the singing program will be in the evening at 8:30 p.m. So don't forget to join. Or Friday, please don't forget to join. I just want to give a little, not a prayer, but something, what's happening in the world, which is very touching, very emotional, and we just want peace, peace and peace. That's what we always pray for in Shukrana. That's what we always do. क्योंकि वर्ल्ड पीस की बहुत ज़रूरत है. कौन सा साइड कौन है क्या है, we're not, I'm concerned about the people who are innocent, people who are dying for no reason at all, children especially. So we want to pray for humanity and pray for the world peace. Really, we should stop everything. It's not good for everybody to listen to this. Everybody feels bad about it. So this is what's going on in the world. I'm just कहते हैं अभी भगवान को कि थोड़ा कुछ करे, शांति करे. Good times are coming, Diwali and Navratri. So we should always keep them in mind. Anyways, after that, saying that, I just wanted to thank you so much for coming. Archana. Have a wonderful day, rest of the day, and we'll be in touch. And thank you so much, everyone. Peace, peace, peace. You're right, Shali ji. बिल्कुल हमको peace की बहुत ज़रूरत है. And again, once again, everywhere, wherever you guys, have a great evening or afternoon, and enjoy the rest of the day. And thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're off the air? Okay.
Okay.
Your mom is there too.
Oh.
They're both your favorite. So your husband is here too, or is in England?
He's in England. So he's working, and like today he was telling me that he might not be able to come, but like he's in the back. It's in the background, and he's listening to it in the background. So while working,
We've seen a couple of comments right away, in between, I guess.
yeah.
You're going to be here for a while. What are your mom is, how's she feeling?
Actually, I'm going away in the beginning of October.
October to ho gaya.
Yeah, October, like beginning of October.
This is October, middle ho gaya. This is 11th
No,
October.
sorry, October. No, sorry. November.
November.
November. Beginning of November. Sorry.
Leaving soon. Okay, so we'll see
Yeah.
if we do something. So jaldi to plan, but that's what I'm saying. All these things are coming up. So your mom is feeling better now, but then you'll probably come back again soon, I hope.
Yeah, maybe next time. Yeah, definitely.
But you can connect from. So you also work over there this time. Maybe in the evenings suit you better if you're from but in the evening maybe no, because of
No, this is fine for me because I'm just pursuing a career in singing, so that's what I'm
Oh.
doing. Yeah.
that's what you do over there too.
Mhm.
Do live shows and everything there. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Good. Then because this time you're like 5 hours ahead, right? London.
5 hours. Yeah.
It's like
5 घंटे बहुत ज़्यादा है.
well, not as much as India. India is much more,
Oh yes. वो तो
Is it
सुबह और रात. सुबह
Yeah,
रात.
exactly. But London in England say it's like 4 or 5 hours. That just like it is from here. It's the same thing.
Yes. Yeah. उधर जब like if it's 12 o'clock at night, it's about 5:30 something like that in the morning. So
It's like here, exactly like over here is 5 something
Yeah.
hours.
yeah,
It might change because in
1 hour.
end of the
Yeah, it's
month
going
they're gonna change the
ahead.
time. Then it's going to be 6 hours.
Yeah, 6 hours.
You're aware of that. Anyway, it was really. So I will be in touch. We can always contact you from here to there. I mean, we can.
Yeah, anytime. It was nice meeting you, and thank you for this opportunity, for this chance on here. Thank you very much.
Welcome. No, we'll try to do something before or when you go back. I know you must be busy, so probably before going. But anyway, let me know if you can. You know that Wednesdays and any day is good for you. You can tell us before going if you want to come, and I'll see.
Yeah, I'll try and see. Yeah, but because I'll be in a rush as well, but I'll see if I can. Yeah.
You let me know.
Okay, sure.
Otherwise, we'll do it from there when you have time when you go back.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so thanks a lot, Archana. Thanks a lot.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, bye. Bye.
I'll do the recording as well. Like,
Okay, thanks. Yeah.
okay? Take care, dear. Thanks.
Bye. You take care.
With your mom, okay?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.